Hey guys, it's me, kitten102 here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's upload was a little bit late. I'm sorry about that it wasn't out. It didn't come out on that Friday, the 8th, but it is coming out Sunday the 10th. So yay. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you guys me deep cleaning my room for spring break to be like fresh and just clean and start off with a clean start. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so before I start off with cleaning my room, I am just going to show you guys a before clip just because like why not, and I'll also do like pictures at the end and just like compare. Let me tell you guys, it is a mess. Like, I don't know what happens. Like, it's always during the week. Today's Saturday, and so basically, like every Friday or by like the end of the week, which is like Friday or Saturday, Sunday, whatever, I usually have a really messy room just because like I don't have time to clean it throughout the week because I have school and dance. But I try my best, but it just never stays. I don't know what goes on. I'm a really clean person. You guys know about my clean room. You see my room tours. But basically, yeah, so I just clean my room like every Saturday. So let me just show you guys the before footage and then we'll get to cleaning. So first, this is the white cube shelf that I have. I know, lovely, lovely. Anyway, oh, there's my phone. And then there's my bed. I know, beautiful with the lights hanging. I know, right? And then we have my dresser over there. Oh, okay. My dresser. Yep, all that stuff there. Gotta move that. And my lovely desk. I know, right? Lovely. So without any further ado, let's get on to cleaning. Okay, so this part might be like the biggest job, the desk. Actually, there's not like too much, but it's just like, you know, kind of scattered. But so, yeah, I'm just gonna like fix up the desk first, like move the paints back into the playroom because I was painting last night, close that. And I was thinking of maybe organizing this drawer. And then this laptop cord is gonna obviously go somewhere. And then this stuff is just gonna be picked up and then under the desk. So yeah, time lapse of me cleaning this area. Alright, so as you all can tell, I cleaned my desk and I like wiped it from all the dust and stuff and just gave it a good wipe. And I also kind of organized under so everything's in that bin or lined up. And now I'm just going to do this one real quick, so yeah. Alright, so I just finished cleaning this one, this nightstand, and I am now going to move on to my dresser. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the little e.l.f. highlighter cream and blush eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to actually put it in this top drawer with my main makeup that I use, which is the eyeliner and mascara along with this. Sometimes I do eyeliner, but I still like use it. Anyway, so, and I'm going to take all these mascaras and put them somewhere else so I can just make this like my main makeup drawer, just so it's just like easier and like nothing can get dirty from like hanging out. So yeah, and I'm also gonna put this brush in there that I use for it, for the eyeshadow. So yeah, do that with me. Alright guys, so this is what the top drawer looks like. all nice and like clean and fresh. My mascara, my eyeliners, my palette, and my brush. So yeah. Then there's just like lotion products in here, and I put my deodorant in here along with Vaseline. So yeah. And here's my mascaras. I'm gonna put these somewhere safe. And I think that's it from cleaning. I'm just gonna give it a wipe down, and then we are going to move on to my bed. We're basically like just going in a circle like around my room. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just finished my bed area, and there's sweet Yippee Mouse. Hi baby. Anyway, and so here's, yep, and my photo wall with the flowers. I fixed the lights. So yeah, hopefully they stay and don't fall. So I also need to like fix my dresser drawers. I don't know what's going on, but anyway. Alright, so now I'm going to clean up my white shelf area, so do that with me. Alright guys, so I finished with this area, and I am now going to get on to showing the entire room. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the whole room, so let's get to it. So first, here is the desk, and it looks really neat. And then here is the nightstand, and then here's the dresser area. Very nice, I know, right? And the perfumes. And then my bed area. And then here's my cube area, as you guys saw. Yep. Yeah, so that's kind of it. And oh yeah, the trash area is cleaned up. Alright guys, so thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the outro in a second. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you all, oh, that hurt. Anyway, I will see you all when I upload next, or this coming Friday. It's going to be a pretty fun upload, so stay tuned for that. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the intro, and I hope you guys enjoy the new outro. So yeah, and I will see you guys on Friday. Love you all. Peace out, and have a happy Sunday. Calling your name, call my Indian summer.